Hello everyone, welcome to another Sharpshooter mission. 17 kill 10 enemies in Smuggler Cove province in less than 40 seconds. So this is like the updated version of the map, and this is the Smuggler Coves that is the north area of Area 1. You can have a bivouac here, Shax Valley bivouac, and you can go near here at Orowa Materials Deposit, Outlaws Valley, and there are a bunch of enemies here, so I suggest you need to be a bit of having extra careful here because there are lots of rocket gunners and you don't want to mess up with them. There's also a sniper, another rocket gunner. Yeah. So I suggest we go for like sync shot drones for these rocket gunners. You can use your sensor launcher. Oops. I hate rocket gunners. We can go for that. And another this one. Alright, so let's begin in 3, 2, wait, hold on. Make sure the suppressor is on. 3, 2, 1. That's 4. That's 7. Nine and one last.
They can't hide forever.
Oops. There you go. That's 10. So yeah, sync shot drones are quite helpful and you just have to deploy them properly. And see you in the next mission in Sharpshooter 17. Let's go for like kill 2 enemies with 2 different firearms from more than 150 meters in 10 seconds. See you guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. Thanks. Bye bye. Hello everyone, Sharpshooter 17 and welcome back. Kill 2 enemies with 2 different firearms from more than 150 meters in 10 seconds. Well, as you all know this place already, if you haven't been here, you can go to Mount Hudson. You can have a bivouac here at Fortune Lake Bivouac and get a helicopter and you can drop it off over here or here. Here at Satellite Valley Mine, there are a lot of enemies where you can just snipe them out with DMRs or sniper. And so let's go. Let's use our sensor launcher first. There you go. So please stay calm when doing this mission because you don't need to rush on things about this. Alright, so let's... Oh, by the way, there's one over here. 150. Or 150. Over there. It's 235. 192. I think I'll start with this one. That's one. 177, 188. No, make sure we can't alarm anyone. And switch to DMR. There you go. And that's it. There you go. Don't wanna. So, if you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe and enjoy Ghost Recon Breakpoint. Hello everyone, Sharpshooter 17. Quickly get one kill with CQC, one with a sniper rifle, and one with DMR in any order. So I'm over here at Fenbog. You can go here at Harris Forest Bivac. I think this is the best place for these kind of missions in any classes, or if you want to go for like quick swaps with your weapons. I think I suggest to go with this map because there are 3 enemies over here. Oh, there. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we got like another 3 enemies over there. Probably we can go for that 3 enemies. So if you don't want to get messy along the way, take note that there are something's coming. And wait, hold on. We got some breacher over here, and let's check if there are cars coming. Okay. Alright, let's start. Probably I'll go here since this one is really easy. If you wanna go close combat with these guys, just have to switch to shoulder aim. Make sure everything is on shoulder aim, not on the scope. So it's gonna be easy for you to maneuver and mobility. Flashbang is really helpful. I suggest you hit the first target, which is the farthest one. Then do a CQC on the nearest target. There we go.
Flashbang! God damn it!
And there you go. There you go. And that's it. If you guys enjoy this content, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. And enjoy being a sharpshooter. Breakpoint. See ya.